The year 1994 about the rules when you are in KV33. Recently, the pool rooms were discovered, an endless series of pools arranged like a labyrinth. These are the discoveries that researchers have made, and you find yourself stranded there. Here's what you need to do. Rule number 1, if you don't have the complete equipment, do not drink the water. Without the proper medication and antibiotics, you could die from the bacteria present in the water. These bacteria produce oxygen and also break down organic matter, such as flesh, over several weeks. Water samples have not only shown that these bacteria produce oxygen and decompose flesh, but when you consume them, your body will expel them, causing diarrhea. If you have no other fluids except this contaminated water, you must boil it before. Survival trick number 2, once you are there, you can actually grow plants such as potatoes and tomatoes. This level operates on a day and night cycle, although the exact timings are not yet known. Further research is being conducted. Unfortunately, this level is quite far from our KV33 machine, approximately 7.5 kilometers away. KV34 is synchronized with the wavelength of level 37, which ensures a constant and stable portal that takes us to level 37. As for the question of why we refer to it as a level, the numbering system is as follows. Level 0 is where we reach on frequency 0, and each subsequent frequency represents a different level in this interdimensional space we call the backrooms. The higher we go, the more distorted and different the levels become. We suspect that other parallel dimensions have their own backrooms, and these rooms imitate what is most common in our world. For us, it seems to be offices, and perhaps in other dimensions, it could be pools. However, this is just a theory proposed by Dr. Mike. We, from the G.I.E.S company, want to ensure your safety. However, the pool rooms are still not well explored, so the information we can provide is limited. This video serves as an introductory documentation on the facts and upcoming information. If more is discovered, the next video will be created. According to modern scientific understanding, the process by which bacteria can decompose flesh and produce oxygen in the context of the pool rooms can be explained through several mechanisms. Decomposition of flesh. Bacteria possess various enzymes that facilitate the breakdown of complex organic compounds, including those found in flesh. The primary enzymes involved in the degradation of proteins are proteases. These enzymes break down proteins into smaller peptides and amino acids, allowing the bacteria to utilize them as a source of energy. This process is known as proteolysis. Anaerobic respiration. While bacteria generally require oxygen for respiration, certain species are capable of carrying out anaerobic respiration. This means they can use alternative electron acceptors, such as nitrate or sulfate, instead of oxygen. By utilizing these alternative electron acceptors, bacteria can generate energy without the need for oxygen. This process is known as anaerobic respiration. Some bacteria found in the pool rooms may have adapted to this anaerobic environment and can perform anaerobic respiration, enabling them to survive and thrive in the absence of oxygen. Oxygen production. While it is commonly known that plants are the primary source of oxygen through photosynthesis, some bacteria are also capable of oxygen production through a process called oxygenic photosynthesis. These bacteria, known as cyanobacteria, possess pigments called chlorophyll that allow them to capture light energy. Through a series of complex biochemical reactions, they convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and organic compounds. It is plausible that certain cyanobacteria or related organisms with similar capabilities may exist in the pool rooms, utilizing available light sources to carry out oxygenic photosynthesis and produce oxygen. It is important to note that these explanations are based on current scientific knowledge.